The world does not yet understand that the African American people, the descendants of the scattered tribes, hold the key to reconciliation in this nation and in the world. For too long, they and we have been a people without a home, a people exiled, yet carrying the spiritual DNA of a kingdom. America, beloved America, in united which we stand, and divided that we fall, America, you owe a debt to these people, not just of reparations, but of restoration. You owe a debt of restoration. For the stone that the builders rejected